Welcome to the squad. You're about to kick off a killer session on setting up VirtualBox. But before we roll into that, let's take a quick flashback. If you've missed our past vids, we've been shredding through some Python programming lessons. Everything from Hello World to hacking your way through code like a pro. Check those out if you want to level up your coding game. Alright, let's jump into the world of VirtualBox. What's the deal with VirtualBox? Alright, what's VirtualBox? It's this killer app that lets you run different operating systems on your Windows machine like they're just another app. Want to test drive Linux or get a taste of Windows 11 or 12 without ditching your current setup? VirtualBox is your go-to. Grabbing VirtualBox, head over to virtualbox.org. It's the spot to snag the latest version. Make sure you grab the one that matches your Windows version. It's all free and straight from the source, so you know you're getting the good stuff without any hassle. Installing VirtualBox. Once you've downloaded it, hit that setup file and let the magic happen. Just follow the prompts and you'll be all set in no time. It's like installing any other app. Next. Agree. Yeah, you should probably read that stuff. And boom, installed. Getting the goodies with VirtualBox Oracle VM VirtualBox Extension Pack. So you've got VirtualBox installed, but to really juice it up, you need the extension pack. This bad boy adds support for USB 2 and 3 devices, VirtualBox RDP, disk encryption, and more. Same drill, download it from virtualbox.org, matching the version to your VirtualBox installation. Remember, this is still on the house, but check the VirtualBox Personal Use and Evaluation License, PUL, to keep it legit. Join us for more Ready to Dive Deeper. If you want to learn how to build a virtual machine and explore thousands more exciting tutorials, hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out. We've got a lot more coming your way. Subscribe and turn on those notifications to catch all our latest videos as soon as we can. Stay tuned. Let's keep learning.